Very good evening to all of you. So here in this session, we are going to do two good questions, good numericals on precision ball measurement. I hope I am audible to all of you. Okay. Sound is less, right? Hold on, here. Hold on.
यस स्टूडेंट्स, आवाज़ आ रही है क्या? यस स्टूडेंट्स, आवाज़ आ रही है क्या? जस्ट होल्ड ऑन. यस स्टूडेंट्स, आवाज़ आ रही है क्या? जस्ट होल्ड ऑन. हेलो, 1 2 3 माइक चेक. हेलो, यस, 1 2 3 माइक चेक. After a lot of technical issues, I am back. After a lot of technical issues, I am back. So we are about to discuss about this precision ball measurement. There it is given that balls of diameter 30 mm and 15 mm were used to measure the taper of a taper ring gauge. So if there is a taper ring gauge, so dear students, that taper ring gauge will appear like this. Yes, and then it is said that during inspection, the ball of 30 mm dia was protruding by 2.5 mm above the top surface of the ring, and this surface was located at a height of 50 mm from the top of 15 mm dia ball. You see, so we'll have to first look at the geometry. Let us say this is the taper ring gauge that we have. And we have this 15 mm dia ball as well. So this 15 mm dia ball, let us say, is somewhere here. This ball is having this 15 mm diameter, and then the another ball which is having this 30 mm diameter, that they are saying that is protruding, मतलब बाहर निकला हुआ है. Let us say this is that ball. (30 mm diameter and 15 mm diameter, two balls were used. This is one of the ball that is 30 mm dia, that is another ball which is 15 mm dia. They said कि 30 mm dia ball was protruding by 2.5 mm above the top surface of the ring. So this here is like 2.5 mm. And this surface, means this top surface, was located at a height of 50 mm from the top of 15 mm diaball, means this is 15 mm. Okay, and they are asking you to find the taper angle. So look at this. From this center to center we can draw a line. Yes, and then we can place a perpendicular here, and then we can go straight like this. Okay, yes. So this angle is how much? Let us say this angle is theta. Then this total angle, that is the tapered angle, this will become like 2 theta. Now this is like 7.5 mm na, a smaller ball radius, and that will also be equal to this 7.5 mm. So if I name it like O, A and B, then you know AB will be how much? Let us say this point is C, that is equal to AC minus BC, and let us say this point is D, and this AC minus BC can be written as AC minus OD. AC is the radius of the larger dia ball, means that is the 15 mm radius ball having 30 mm diameter obviously, and minus OD is what? 7.5 mm. So this value will become 7.5 mm. Great dear. Once we found AB value, yes, I can see all of you in the chat section. Great. And please use your calculator as well. When I will ask you to answer few things, then please use your calculator and tell me. Okay. Now dear student, you know you want to need and find this taper angle. That means you want to find this 2 theta value, है ना? आपको ये 2 theta value निकालना है. 2 theta कैसे निकालोगे आप? उसके लिए पहले आप थीटा फाइंड कर लो. And you know in triangle OAB, you can easily write the sine theta will be equal to AB upon OA. Yes. Now the thing is AB is already known, but you have to find OA. How will you find this OA value? देखो O से लेके A तक पता करना है. You know that कि from here, like top of the larger size ball से लेकर के and up to this center, अगर तुम निकालो ये कितना होगा? इतना. There is something, right? Okay. And इस टॉप सरफेस से, इस बॉल के टॉप सरफेस से और यहां तक ये दिया हुआ है कि ये 15 mm है, राइट? क्वेश्चन में ही दिया हुआ है. दिस इज 15 mm. फाइन. दिस इज 15 mm. तो देखो ना, अगर तुम बात करो कि दिस इज 15 mm फ्रॉम दिस टॉप अप टू दिस ए 15 mm, और टोटल की बात करो तो यहां से यहां तक ये कितना हो जाएगा? 17.5 mm. यस, 15 प्लस 2.5 ये हो जाएगा 17.5 mm. और देखो ये 17.5 mm है, and you need OA actually, right? Our main motive is to find this OA value. So dear students, ये तो 17.5 mm हो गया. अच्छा, और अगर इस रेडियस को भी अभी यहाँ ऐड कर दो तो टोटल यहां से यहां तक कितना हो जाएगा? 17.5 mm. और मान लो कि ये वाला पॉइंट यहाँ पे जो भी है वो पॉइंट E है, तो O से लेकर के और E तक में ये देखो ये 17.5 mm है, राइट? दिस वैल्यू ओवर हियर, और उसमें 7.5 और ऐड हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा O से E तक. लेकिन OA कितना होगा? OA होगा OE माइनस AE. और AE कितना है? AE जो है इसका रेडियस है जो कि 15 mm है बड़े बॉल का, तो 17.5 plus 7.5 minus 15, and that is going to be equal to 10. Yes, I hope so. 17.5, 2.5, this will become OA 10 mm. Now this becomes so easy to calculate. Sine theta will become AB upon OA, that is 7.5 upon 10. Theta will become sine inverse 7.5 upon 10. Can anyone calculate in the this value and tell me in the chat box? Sine inverse 0.75 value. Anyone? I'm waiting for you in the chat box. Please calculate this value and tell me. No one? Anyone with calculator here? No one. Okay, I'll calculate it for you. Don't worry. The main thing is to find this value, which is OA. Yes. And what did you come to know? That sorry, this is what they are saying, 50 mm. Now we wrote 15. This is what they are saying, this is 50 mm. Hold on dear, this is 50 mm. So this will become 57. No, then this will become, I'm sorry, by mistake I wrote this is 15 mm. This was 50 mm actually. Yes, this surface was located at a height of 50 mm from the top of 15 mm diagonal. This is 50 mm. If this is 50 mm, means this we are writing as 50 mm. Yes, so this will be total 52.5 mm. This will be total 52.5 mm. 52.5 mm. And yes, then it will become OE value. You look at this from O up to E, it will become 52.5 plus 7.5. Yes, and this is going to be equal to 60 mm. So OA will be equal to OE minus AE, that is 60 minus 15. That will become 60 minus 15, and that will be 45 mm. So that way you got OA, and AB you already have. So this is 7.5 upon 60. So theta will become sine inverse 7.5 upon 60. And how much exactly is that, dear students? How much exactly is that? I'll calculate it for you. This will become 7.18 degree. So taper angle will be equal to 2 theta. Means 2 times 7.1 degree. Whatever you get will be the answer. Chalo. Next question. We have this. They are saying that the bore diameter of a plane ring gauge having a height of 35 mm was measured using two spherical balls. Okay, so now they are measuring the bore diameter of plane ring. Yes, so the plane ring will be a bit like this. This will be the plane ring, right? And here we have, they said ki the bore diameter of a plane ring, this means they are saying about this diameter having a height of 35 mm was measured. Means this is the diameter D, and this height is 35 mm. This height is 35 mm. Was measured using two spherical balls, each of dia 25 mm. The ring was placed on a surface table and then both balls were placed inside the ring. In this position, the height h of the top of the upper ball from the surface table, they said that the height h of the top of the upper ball from the surface table was found to be 42 mm, the diameter of the ring. It means they are saying that one ball they placed like this, okay, and when they placed the another ball on top of it, and diameter of each ball was 25 only, then that ball went like somewhere here, ऐसा हुआ कुछ. Yes, this is how the two balls were shifted there. And this is this ball. Two balls, right? Now we have to find the diameter of this ring D is equal to what? You see, if you look at this, this is the center here. From this center up to this, if you join this, this will be like a distance, let us say O1, O2. Here let us say this is like A. Fine. So this will be like O1, O2 will be equal to, let us say if this point is P, then O1P plus O2P, and O1P, O2P are their radii. Yes, so that will be equal to 12.5 plus 12.5, and that's how O1 O2 will become 25 mm, है ना. इस तरीके से ये O1 O2 कितना हो जाएगा, 25 mm हो जाएगा. Once you got this value as 25 mm O1 and O2, what you can calculate further is O1A. O1A, you know, will be equal to square root of O1 O2 square minus O2A square, and that is equal to square root of what is O1 O2 square. O1 O2 square is 25 square minus O2A square is going to be equal to, you see, this much will be radius, and this is, they said, from here up to this is 42.5 mm, right? That means obviously this is going to be 7.5 mm. So if this is R value and we have to find O2A, and this much is also R only, yes, so here O2A plus 2 times the R of the two balls must be equal to 42.5, yes, or O2A will become 42.5 minus 2R, that is 42.5 minus 25, and this is going to be equal to 17.5 mm. O2A will become 17.5 mm. So this is like 25 square minus 17.5 square root. Yes, if you calculate this value, then what are you going to get is, this is like 17.5 square, just a minute, 17.5 square, and this is 25 square, right? Minus 625 is equal to 318.75 square root. We are going to get 17.85, and you know, this much will be again R and this much will be again R. So diameter will become O1A plus 2R, that is equal to 17.85 plus twice of this 12.5, and that is going to be equal to 25 and plus 732, 42.85 mm. So dear students, basically when you look at these questions, which are like questions on this, what we say, precision ball measurement, then you just have to draw the geometry of the question, that the way they are asking the question, accordingly you draw, and then by looking at the geometry you can find whatever is being asked. So with this I am ending this session. You can always come to the special classes and free special classes on Unacademy. Apart from YouTube, there I used to take a lot of classes, and there are several other faculties which used to take a lot of free special classes onto Unacademy that you can watch live as well as in offline mode. But yes, they can ask you an unlock code for those free classes, and that unlock code you can use as RK007 to unlock all the free classes. Okay guys, with this I am ending this session. In the beginning actually we got some technical issues, I'm sorry for that. Tomorrow, let's meet tomorrow in the next session, same time, 8:30. See you all, bye bye.